Welcome back to Throttle Vortex, the 2026 McLaren, where technology meets power. Like and subscribe for more powerful reviews. The year 2026 marks a turning point for McLaren, a company already known for pushing engineering and performance to the absolute limit, yet somehow still finding ways to go even further. When people talk about supercars, they often imagine raw power, extreme speed, and futuristic design, but McLaren has taken all of those expectations and elevated them into something that feels almost unreal. The 2026 McLaren lineup represents a fusion of race-bred performance and next-generation technology, built with an obsessive attention to detail that only a brand rooted in Formula One heritage could deliver. Every single curve, every vent, every aerodynamic line exists for a purpose: to reduce drag, maximize downforce, and translate every ounce of engine power into unmatched road control. What's astonishing is how McLaren manages to make these cars feel both savage and refined at the same time. They aren't just machines built for straight-line dominance. They're precision instruments crafted for drivers who crave connection, who want to feel every millisecond of acceleration, every shift, every subtle movement of the chassis, as if the car were an extension of their own instincts. The 2026 generation introduces advanced lightweight materials, pushing carbon fiber engineering beyond anything previously seen in production. McLaren has reworked its monochack structure to be both stronger and lighter, giving the car a rigid, race-ready backbone capable of handling extreme forces while also shedding crucial weight. This reduction makes the car more responsive, more agile, and significantly faster off the line. The engine itself is a masterpiece of modern engineering. Turbocharged, highly efficient, and delivering an explosive power band, it launches the car forward with a force that feels almost unreal. Yet despite all this aggression, the 2026 McLaren manages to maintain a surprising level of comfort. The interior is designed for a driver-focused experience, blending luxury with minimalism. Everything inside is placed exactly where it needs to be, from the floating display to the tactile controls that give precise feedback. Even though this car is built for speed, McLaren never forgets that the driver should feel confident, in control, and connected. One of the most impressive aspects is the aerodynamics. McLaren has refined its active aero systems, allowing the car to adapt dynamically to different speeds, road conditions, and driving styles. Air channels, intakes, and wings move seamlessly, ensuring stability at high speeds and cornering that feels almost glued to the pavement. This is where McLaren's F1 DNA shines brightest. It's not just about brute force. It's about clever engineering that allows the car to maintain performance while preserving balance and control. The driving experience is so precise that even at extreme speeds, the car communicates clearly with the driver, giving constant feedback and inspiring confidence. The result is a machine that feels alive, almost intelligent in the way it reacts to every input. But it's not only the technical brilliance that sets the 2026 McLaren apart, it's the emotion behind the machine. When you sit behind the wheel, even before the engine roars to life, you can sense the decades of racing history that shaped it. McLaren doesn't build cars simply to compete with other supercars. They build them to remind the world of what's possible when passion, innovation, and engineering obsession collide. It's about creating something that feels timeless, something that connects past achievements with future possibilities. The 2026 McLaren isn't just a statement, a declaration that performance has no limits, that technology can coexist with artistry, and that driving can still be an emotional, exhilarating experience. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or someone simply fascinated by incredible machines, the 2026 McLaren stands as a symbol of speed, precision, and pure automotive ambition.